Hello, my name is Andrea Piper, and I'm a candidate in the Kennesaw State University Instructional Technology Educational Specialist Program. I currently work as a 7th grade social studies teacher at Five Forks Middle School in Gwinnett County, where I'm also a curriculum team leader and an instructional leader in our building. During this program, I've learned just how far-reaching the field of instructional technology can be. I've gained experience in data coaching, data analysis, coding, multimedia projects, school improvement, leadership, and the use of internet tools in the classroom. I've researched and applied current topics in instructional technology, mainly methods to increase student engagement in a hybrid learning environment. My peers and I have kept current with the newest trends and strategies in the instructional technology world by expanding our professional learning networks and collaborating with one another in our coursework. The coursework included in this program was presented in a way that candidates were able to build on their knowledge as they advanced through the program. Some of the field experiences that were beneficial to my growth as a professional were the data inventory and the action and evaluation plan. The action plan allowed me to collaborate with multiple school leaders and stakeholders to establish areas for improvement in our school regards to technology implementation. I was then able to set goals using actionable strategies and clear timelines to ensure that a goal would be reached and sustained. When I become a technology facilitator, this is a tool that I would use to plan for school improvement. The data inventory was also a meaningful project that I feel prepared me to present local school data to stakeholders when planning for change in our schools. Data is a tool that's so widely used in education now, from assessment data to behavioral data. Schools are quantifying and analyzing student performance to plan for improvement and success. This project allowed me to practice the skills needed to present data in a meaningful way and make recommendations to school leadership. One of the most meaningful field experiences I completed was the data coaching process. I was able to meet with an 8th grade language arts teacher to discuss her goals, which concerned writing endurance to prepare students for Georgia Milestones assessments. Through the use of goal setting and formative assessment tech data tools, we were able to enhance her teaching process and reflect on the implementation of technology in her classroom. This process was natural and very enjoyable to me, and I believe I will succeed in coaching teachers in the future. In the future, I feel like I would be a successful technology facilitator in a school because I would take steps to help teachers to implement transformational tech teaching strategies in their classrooms. One way I would do this is to discuss with them their goals for technology integration in their classrooms. What would they like their students to do? How comfortable are they with modeling the tool they've chosen? Do they need assistance in choosing the tech tool to deliver their content? After selecting the technology tools we deemed to be the most appropriate, I would show the teacher in a one-on-one setting how to use the tool to achieve the goal they've set for student performance. Next, I would ask them if they would like me to model the strategy for use in their classroom, or if they would be comfortable with me observing the use of technology in their lesson. I would then offer feedback and collect data to draw conclusions about how the technology used in the classroom impacted their goal positively, negatively, or not at all. I believe stepping into a teacher's classroom with the stated intention of helping them to achieve their goal can be a transformative practice for implementing technology. The way a school could utilize me as a technology facilitator is by the implementation of modules to assist teachers in mastering basic skills. Modules could include anything like Google applications, Microsoft Suite, and any other county-mandated technologies that teachers need to master in order to be most productive. These modules would also serve as a way to model the use of emerging technologies in education, for example, augmented reality, GIS, cloud computing, gamification, video communication, and social networking for teachers that are curious about topics beyond what is necessary. Because they would be presented in module format, this would benefit teachers as they attempt to self-pace and participate in technology training at a level at which they feel most comfortable. Technology facilitator, I would hope to increase the technology literacy of teachers, students, and administrators to ensure that the school is working to meet their vision and mission. My short-term goals as a result of completing this program are to use technology in my personal classroom for more effective and meaningful teaching. Additionally, I would like to be seen as a knowledgeable person who can effectively help and train other teachers on technology tools to improve their teaching practice. My long-term goal is to pursue a position as a local school technology coordinator to assist schools in aligning their goals and vision with technology implementation. Thank you.